Hello, my beautiful people. It's Jasmine from Raw Cut Soaps Co. And once again, I'm so excited to be back sharing another video with you. And actually, today we are making a new premium soap bar that's a part of our skincare line. At this very moment, you see me getting together my ginger root powder and also my moringa leaf powder. I decided to add both of these ingredients mainly for their benefits. I wanted to make a soap that was aiding towards people who have breakout issues, acne problems, and who wants an overall more potent experience when it comes to the aggression and the healing process. A lot of our soaps are for people with sensitive skin, as this soap is as well. But with these ingredients like our Seamoss and our base ingredients, you can see a huge difference when it comes to the time frame of your healing process. I'll list a few benefits that come with the ingredients within this bar. The first we'll discuss is the Seamoss. There are 102 minerals that are in the human body, and those 102 minerals we need in order to sustain a healthy lifestyle. Seamoss has 92 minerals, and the benefits of using this while ingesting or even on your skin are miraculous. I decided to just go ahead and use Seamoss for the soap bar because first off, it is trending and people are starting to understand the benefits of Seamoss. I will mention that as a child, just going into the beach water was always recommended by my dermatologist for maximum healing time for my wounds with eczema. So I felt like this was a great addition to the line. We can also go over the moringa leaf powder. So moringa leaf powder is very moisturizing and cleansing for the skin. It's also very beneficial for breakouts, acne, and hyperpigmentation. Our last ingredient that we will discuss is ginger powder. So we know ginger powder more to add into our food whenever we're feeling sick. It's also very popular in teas as well. But just imagine those benefits of what it does for the inside of your body. Imagine what it does on your skin. So ginger powder is anti-inflammatory, so it also helps with skin that is very irritated. It's also known as an antibacterial, and it helps to unclog pores and kill acne causing bacteria. So this is very helpful if you suffer from a lot of breakouts on your face, underarm, and bikini area. If you suffer from ingrown hairs as well, this could be a great addition to your bikini regimen for exfoliation, and also if you're using an ingrown hair serum. This will be a great cleanser for that area. I truly hope that this video was helpful for you to understand the benefits of certain ingredients, and I just hope that you enjoyed me working and making my soap as I usually do. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to receive notifications whenever I post, and like this video for more engagement so I know to keep making videos like these. Thank you for watching this video and supporting this channel, and until next time, take care. Quick side note before you leave, stay tuned for me getting to cut into this bar of soap so you can see the results.